In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite quick and easy way to prepare chicken. When I'm not sure what to make for dinner, I grab a bag of frozen chicken tenders from the freezer. These are so convenient because you don't have to thaw them, and you can use just as many as you like. There's no need to use the whole package. You'll find these bags of frozen chicken pieces in the freezer section of your grocery store. Trader Joe's is my favorite brand because they don't use the additives that many brands do. Let me show you how I make sauteed chicken. First, I add some olive oil to the skillet and turn the heat to medium-high. Next, I add the chicken pieces in a single layer. Last, I add a generous sprinkling of homemade spice blend. As the pan heats up, the chicken begins to color. I keep the heat moderately high and turn the chicken frequently, about every few minutes. Cook the chicken like this until done, about 20 to 30 minutes. The juices will run clear when you cut into a piece. You can serve it right away, or you can store it for later. When I'm going to store it, I chop the cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then I place it in airtight containers. It's good in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for up to 6 weeks. When I'm going to freeze the chicken, I chill the container of chicken in the refrigerator first. By chilling it, I help the chicken freeze more quickly, and this reduces the risk of freezer burn or big ice crystals.